This is a classic Filipino barbecue. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to cook a Filipino chicken barbecue using the oven. During winter time, I didn't really want to go out kasi nga malamig. So I figured, why not use the oven? Lo and behold, it turned out juicy, flavorful, and definitely reminded me of a taste of home. Alright, so let's get started. So in a bowl or in a marinating dish, ilagay lahat ng marinade na ingredients except muna sa chicken. So, yung soy sauce, garlic, lahat na. Ililista ko yung mga sangkap, okay? So, watch out sa video na ito. Kasi andito lang yung sangkap. Mag-show up yan later. Oh, ayan. Nag-show up na talaga. Yan yung list of ingredients. But anyway, so kapag na-add na yan lahat, imimix natin ito hanggang sa talagang well-blended na ito. At kapag na nicely mixed na natin, ilagay ang chicken, imamarinate, i-refrigerate natin ito at least an hour. Pero kung meron na kayong 30 minutes, that's fine. Mag-work pa rin ito. Halfway through the marinating process, ipi-flip nyo yun para talagang to ensure na ma-well coated yung manok ng marinade. Okay? And then sa preheated na oven, 350 ata ang gamit ko dito. 350, 45 to 50 minutes or hanggang sa fully cooked na yung chicken. Ang sabi dito ay kailangan siya 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Naka-register kapag i-check nyo. Okay? So, halfway through the cooking process naman, kailangan nyo itong i-baste ng sauce para mas masarap. That's it. Napakasimple lang guys ng recipe na ito. Pero talagang masarap na ko. Ihanda nyo niya ang rice. This is such a treat. Alright, that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. And as always, you guys take care.